Hi guys, I am back today with another video. I am starting off today with 6-inch vanilla cake rounds with my buttercream frosting. And today I decided to do a 2-tier cake as well as a marble themed cake. It's been a while since I did a 2-tier, and this is, I think, the first time that I'm going to try a marble decorated cake. Okay, and so I'm just making sure my cakes are nice and filled and even, and then I can start on my crumb coat. I'm starting from the top and just working my way down, just filling in all the gaps of my cake. And now I'm just cleaning it off, and then I'm going to place this into the freezer for it to chill while I work on the top tier. I'm putting a little bit of buttercream onto my cake board and then adding some more buttercream just to place my cake on. And this top tier is going to be 4-inch round. And again, this is with my buttercream frosting. And again with the crumb coat for the top tier. This is also going to go into the freezer for it to chill, and once I'm waiting for that, I'm going to bring back out my bottom tier and work on that. Okay, I have my bottom tier back out and I am working on frosting my cake. I'm just making sure my cake is covered, and then I am going to scrape off any excess and make sure that I have straight sides for my cake. Now I'm just going to level off the top of my cake, and then this is going to go back into the freezer. I want my cake to be fully chilled while I am doing the marble effect. Okay, so I have my bottom tier back out. It was in the freezer for about maybe 10 minutes. And what I am doing is I am basically just scraping some buttercream off, just making sure that I have a dent in my frosting, so that way when I am putting on the extra colors, I have something to pipe it into. And I'm just working all the way around, no specific order of me scraping the cake. And then I have some blue in a piping bag, and then I am basically just piping that onto where I had scraped off the buttercream. I also colored in some black buttercream, and I'm also using that into my cake as well. Okay, and then here I am just scraping off any of the excess colored buttercream. And I did notice that I wanted more color onto my buttercream, so I went back in and put in some more blue and black onto my cake. And as you can see right here. And I'm just using boba straws just to give it support for the top tier. Now my top tier is completely chilled, so it will be a lot easier for me to place it onto the top of my cake. And I'm using some liquid gold to paint onto my cake. And I'm just repeating the process throughout my whole cake here. And once I have the desired gold that I want on my cake, I just finished it off with a yellow flower into the center of my tiered cake. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is how I made a 2-tier marble effect cake. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.